starting the big pelican out in the water, taking a swim. Look at him blowing his feet. They ride on top of the rough waves. Look how close she's coming to me in the water. I think she knows I'm filming her now. Now she's acting up, ducking under the water, blowing her wings. Yeah, she know I'm filming her now. Look, she's coming close. Where's the other one? Oh, both of them are here now. See? They both together now. Said, I want to be in the video. I'm going to come in so you can video me, my beautiful self, my divine God creature. Oh, the other one went way out there again. She said, ain't no waves over there. I'm going back out. Look at her, she runs that way. Go back on the end of the rocks here so you can see this. He's out there, he likes to run. You know that gotta be a male, right? To me like, hey, don't stop filming me. I'm right here in your face. I'm showing you what I'm doing. You want to take my... Oh, this is a huge bird. I'm talking about on this thing, this video, they don't look huge. But me standing here on the rock, you're talking about a 50 to 75 pound bird on the water here. And the wingspan is enormous. And her beak in her head. She's trying to get her fish. She's fishing now, trying to get something to eat. And he's way out there on the other end, trying to get him something to eat. There he is. He's seeing the fish school come in. He ducks down water. These are huge birds. 50 to 75 pound birds. Where is she? She passed me up. Look at her. She's looking at me like, why are you not taking me? I'm right here. In the shallow water where you could get me. I'm trying to get the fish because I know they'll come in close to the rocks where you're standing. This has to be a female. It's much more calm than the other one that's out there. Or it's coming in. And as you can see, the white on the top of the head, she has... Hers is all white. When he comes in, I'll try to get a close one. He has the white with the black, like mohawk coming down. Oh, it's 3 of them. Look, I didn't know I had 3 in the bunch. Look at y'all, look at y'all. Look at them, they're swimming. Look in the back, they're just loving the water. I'm out here on the rocks because normally if you go to swim on the beach, the Coast Guard doesn't suggest you come out this far as they are, so they suggest you stay in close. Third one. He's out here too joining them. They all came closer when I've been up here on this rock videoing. I started videoing, I found myself sneaking up to catch them. Look, he's looking at me, he's coming closer to the rock on the water. I think they're showing out for me. They're showing out for you guys, so enjoy. I'll video them as long as I can. Yeah, I think they're putting on a show now. This lady, oh, she's eating. She put a whole fish in her mouth. I missed it. There she is right here. She put a whole fish, the beak open up real wide and low. You see her swallowing the fish. Let's see if I can catch her on the side doing it again. Going back out here where the other two are in the deep. I think they know that I'm filming them. I'm the only one out on the rock filming them swim. They were way out there and now they're swimming closer to where I'm at. I honestly believe these guys know I'm getting wet, but it's okay. It feels good out here in the pool. She's swimming like a pro. Look at her duck. She ducked. I think she got one. Nope, she didn't. Getting close. Oh, she did. See her swallow it? Oh, I think she found another one. Yep. Yep. She's gonna have her lunch. Her breakfast and lunch. She's doing a great job. I don't know how these guys doing out here. They went back out for, I think she's headed out there with them. Yeah. Yeah, she's heading back out here with them. Other guy at? Where is he? Oh, there he is. And you got the little birdies. You want to get some too? here today. Look how close she's coming for me to film her. Wow, now you can see how big she is. I mean, I'm still almost like 15 feet away from her, up on the rocks. And you can see just from my videoing how big she is. When they hold their neck up, it's a tall neck. Here come the other two. They realize she's doing a heck of a lot better over here than they are. There, that's her in the back. She's gonna turn sideways. When she sees her prey, she's gonna go. The beak is really long. Ducking down low. I think my energy is drawing the water in to come up here with me on the rocks. Let me get a shot of the guys out here. They seem like they're struggling a little more than my female out up here with me. They're the little birds. They don't want to get wet by the splash. So when it splashes, they go up. Collective, this is my grounding for this morning and today, my meditation. I'm sending everyone peace and blessings and divine light, Christ conscious living. She wanted to say goodbye as well. Heading back out here. I love how they ride the waves when they come in. Again, I say peace and blessings to everyone. May the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart and video